Listening 1. Number 2, the answer B, because in the audio gave an announcement that departure gate has changed. Number 3, the answer B, because in the audio gave announcement that crew providing snacks and drink to the passengers if they want to buy it. 4. The answer C, because in the audio there is an announcement that passengers named Tom and Carrie Simpson have been deported from flight. 5. The answer C, because there is an announcement that there was a problem with the train that made it delayed. 6. The answer B, because there is an announcement that there was a problem with the train platform number 20, so that the departure was delayed. Listening to Task 1. Number 2, the answer B, because in the audio there is a woman need help to unloading the bag from the trunk of the plane. 3. The answer B, because in the audio there is a man need help to know where location of station train American. 4. The answer B, because in the audio there is a air hostess offer help to the passengers for helping take off the seat belt. 5. The answer A, because there is a man with his friend want to find a window so they can see view outside the airport. 6. The answer A, because there is a woman want to find another flight because she has urgent event. Listening to Task 2. Number 2, the answer B, because from the previous audio there is a woman need help for unloading his bag from trunk of plane. So the best response I choose I will be glad to. Number 3, the answer A, because from the previous audio there is a man need help to find location of station train, so the best response I choose yes, go left fast 3 more counters. Number 4, the answer B, because from the previous audio there is a hostess offer help to the passengers for helping take off the seatbelt, so the best response I choose that's okay, I can do it. Number 5, the answer B, because from the previous audio there are 2 people want to find window so they can see view outside of airport. The best response I choose, there are 2 offer by that window. 6. The answer A, because from the previous audio there is a woman want to find another flight, so the best response I choose, I will do my best to help you.
Okay, next, listening 3, task 1. The answer is 3, because of the conversation in the audio, according to Victor number 3, they stopped to relax for a while from the long journey they were one. B. The answer is 1. Because of the conversation in the audio according to Victor number 1, because in the picture it looks like an Arlan gives $300, the same is the same as in the conversation in the audio. C. The answer is 6. Because the one in the pictures describes the condition of the conversation in the audio. D. The answer is 4. Because the conversation in the audio corresponds to the pictures in number 4. They stopped, then their car was damaged. A. The answer is E. The answer is 5 because it is very clear that the pictures depicts what the speaker is doing while on his way. F. The answer is 2 because Victor number 2 depicts what the speaker has experienced while flying. Okay, next. Task 2. Number 1. The answer is true because in the audio conversation he was 1 hour late. Number 2. The answer is true because in the audio conversation every seat on the plane has been violated. Number 3. The answer is false because in the audio conversation they use GPS instead not of a map. Number 4. The answer is true because according to the conversation in the audio they did have AC malfunction. Okay. Number 5. The answer is true because according to the conversation they did travel to Boston. And the last, number 6. The answer is false because in the audio conversation he said he fell asleep instead of finishing the book.
Did you go to Los Angeles? You need to go on vacation. We like to travel. Let's go to Tokyo. It's hard to drive 10 hours. I'm going to London.
Pronunciation. 1. Did you go to Los Angeles? 2. You need to go on vacation. 3. We like to travel. 4. Let's go to Tokyo. 5. It's hard to drive 10 hours. 6. I'm going to London.
Welcome back. Tell me about your trip.
Oh, it was so much fun. First, we went to New York.
Did you go to the Museum of Modern Art?
Yes, we love it. I had always wanted to see that museum. We also went to Central Park, of course, and lots of other sites.
Where did you go after that?
After New York, we went to Philadelphia for 3 days, and then we went to Boston for 2 days. It was a great vacation.
Conversation. Tell your partner about trip you took. Okay, me and my family ever go to the Banjarmasin. We were visited grandma and grandpa house. At that time, it was Idul Fitri. So we were seconds with the family in the village and spend time talking to each other and visiting every house in the village. So that's my trip I took when Idul Fitri.
Okay, next, conversation. Work in the conversation. Tell your partner about a trip you took. Okay, for my partner, I want to tell you about one trip for me. From me. Okay, on Eid al-Fitr in 2019, my family and I trip from Sampit to Samuda with the aim of staying in touch with our families who were there. This is actually a moment that our family does every year on Eid al-Fitr. Maybe not only from our family, it is also a tradition of Indonesian society. Um, this this is the moment to forgive and stay in touch. However, in 2019, this is the last moment we can make families with make with other families, because in 2022 and 2020 and 2021 we are all experiencing a pandemic where it is forbidden to leave the house according to government regulations. So for 2 years we haven't done what we usually do because of the pandemic we are experiencing now. So this is one of my best moments before the pandemic. Okay, thank you.